Good morning, second graders. This is Monday, March 30th, lesson 135. We're on week 3 of our videos. I hope things are going well for you guys. I know we heard that we still have another 3 weeks after this week, but we will try to do our best with our videos, and hopefully you're having some fun time with your parents. And in between the rain, I hope you're getting outside and playing and getting some fresh air. We're going to start with phonics today. And we're going to review a little. Let's talk about the 4 kinds of sentences. What are our 4 kinds of sentences? Think about them. All right, we should have declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. I'm going to read a sentence, see if you at home can tell me what kind of sentence it is. Did you go to the circus on Saturday? Did you go to the circus on Saturday? What kind of sentence is that? I hope you said interrogative. Janice and I went with Mom. Janice and I went with Mom. What kind of sentence is that? Should have declarative there. The next one, we left our cat Whiskers at home. We left our cat Whiskers at home. That would be another declarative sentence. Okay, let's look at the last one. Wow, the sun was really hot for March. Wow. The sun was really hot for March. What kind of sentence is that? I hope you said exclamatory. We're going to talk about something new today. We're going to talk about 3 words today. A, and the. A, and the. They are important words that we use every day in every sentence we say. They are used as adjectives. So a, and the are also adjectives. Even though we use them all the time, they're still important. Without them, our writing and speaking would sound very strange. Let's try it out. Do you know that there is mosquito on your arm? Something's missing. Do you know that there is a mosquito on your arm? Or would you like apple? Sounds a little funny, doesn't it? We need the word "an" in there. Would you like an apple? Missionary spoke in chapel today. Missionary spoke in chapel today. You could use the or a there. The missionary spoke in chapel today, or a missionary spoke in chapel today. All right, so our words a, and the are very important. Now we see they are adjectives. The words a and the tell us about the nouns. We use the word "and." This is our important part. And. We use it when the noun has a vowel sound at the beginning. We said an apple, not a apple, because apple starts with a short a sound. When I use a or an in front of would I use a or an in front of banana? We should use a because banana starts with a b sound, not a vowel sound, so we would use a. So an is used before a noun that has a vowel sound. A is used before a noun that has a consonant sound. So I've got a couple words here on the board. We have ostrich. Ostrich. I hear the O sound in ostrich, the A sound. So I'm going to need an here. An ostrich. I saw an ostrich. Toad. A or an. I have a consonant sound, so I'm going to put an A. Inch, inch, I hear a vowel, so I'm going to add an in front. An inch. And then book, I hear the consonant sound B, so I'm going to put an A in front of book. Okay, so a, and the are adjectives. They're important words. When to know when to use an is before a vowel sound in your noun. And when to use the a is whenever there's a consonant sound. If you take out your book, or not your book, I gotta get my book. Your paper, page 269. It says use a before nouns that begin with consonant sounds and use and before nouns that begin with vowel sounds. So number 1, write a or an in front of each word. Number 2, read the sentence. Use proofreader marks to correct the mistakes. Use the delete marks to change the word. This is usually a challenge for us. It's great practice. There are quite a few in there. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think there are 13 mistakes in there. Okay, number 1, match on the back. Match the words to make compound words. Number 2, choose the correct word to finish each sentence. Then mark your sentences. Diagram the sentences. Read your diagrams to see if they make sense. All right, that is phonics for lesson 135. We're going to move on to math. All right. I hope you're practicing your math facts, multiplication facts, your 2s, 5s, 10s, and then dividing by 10. We're going to talk dividing by 2 tomorrow. So today we're going to talk about some twins. Okay, in addition, when we have a math problem, if we have 1 plus 2 is 3, the twin, we just change places and we get the same answer. So we're going to talk about that with multiplication today. If you'll look at the board, okay, I have 12 here, and these are horizontal, which means across. So we're going to look at them and ask myself, how many rows do I have? Well, I have row 1 and row 2. So I have 2 rows. Okay, how many's in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all together I have 12. So down here, I have my circles going vertical. How many rows do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many in each row? 2 equals 12. So multiplication twins are very simple. They're just like addition as far as you just change the numbers with the 2 numbers you were adding. And now multiplication, you change the you can change the place of the 2 factors, and you'll still get the same answer. So pretty simple lesson today. If you take out your paper, page 269 in your math, it still says Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Wonder if any of you have been there, or any of your family have been there. If mom and dad have time, they could look up stuff on the computer and kind of look at that. We're going to look at the back of the paper first, page 270. Number 1 says, write the sum for each addition twin. So you're just going to write the answers. And then number 2, you're going to write the products for the multiplication twins. Remember, the answer for one is going to be the same answer for the other. Number 3, I want you to try this one on your own. If you have questions, ask mom or dad, or they can send me a message. Write the number of bills and coins needed to make the amount. Use the fewest pieces of money. Then number 4, you're going to circle bills and coins needed to make the amount. Then number 5 is greater, less than, or equal. For the addition problems, if you want to add them up, you can, and just write your answer underneath or above them. Back on the front, number 1 said write the differences. Number 2, how many inches? If you don't have a ruler, that's fine. Totally understand for 2 and 3. Number 4, start at the left. Color the 4th tint blue and the 6th tint orange. Number 5, write the time. Number 6, write the missing number. Number 7, finish the counting pattern. So that would be language and math for the day. We're going to take a look at science on page 52 through 57 about growth of a tree. All right, so you're going to read 52. 53 has something to try. If your parents have time or you have the stuff at home, you could try doing that. 54 talks about putting things in order. You can try that. Remember, don't write in your book. 55 tells how a seed travels. Your vocab words are helicopter, parachute, hitchhiker. And you read 56 and then 57. See if you can answer those questions there. Remember, don't write in the book. All right, I hope you guys have an awesome Monday. Start to week 3. I hope you enjoy the day, and I will see you on Tuesday.